When I came to Columbus and I saw that they offered media makeup, I was like, whoa, that's pretty cool, you know?
Media makeup is a makeup for the movie industry. Here in LA, we're in the movie hub, so there are tons and tons of jobs. I've been out there for over 18 years doing commercials or films or horrors or shorts.
This class has given me like some insight into what opportunities are in the media and entertainment.
We've had industry professionals, we've had actors, they've also had Academy Award winning makeup artists come to do demos for them and talk to them.
I feel like honored to talk to somebody like that and then, get tips from them and get some more insight from their perspective.
The type of makeup that we do is FX or special effects. So they're going to make acid burns today or gunshot wounds.
We did more on acid burns and I learned more how to make it look more realistic.
My favorite thing that I've done would have to be working with gunshot wounds. I like the way that it comes out when we work with gelatin. We have to microwave the gelatin. We have to make sure that it's not hot. We have to test it on ourselves to make sure that we don't burn other people, because Ms. B really does prioritize safety in this class.
In this class, besides the actual makeup, they are going to learn set etiquette. They're going to learn safety first.
We let the gelatin dry on them. We put powder, makeup, colors, just to make everything look cool. Working with the gelatin is pretty cool because we get to shape it and make it our own art pretty much.
They learn business, they learn how to manage and charge for their work, day rates. Just recently we worked on gunshot wounds, so we had to learn about bullets, entry wounds, exit wounds, the forensics of it. The importance of researching to this level is because people are becoming more and more aware. The training videos that are shown to our soldiers before they go to any other countries, we do those. If you are watching a movie on war, there are a lot of veterans who are going to tell you, oh, that's terrible, that is so fake.
And those little details matter a lot.
I pair them up. They don't get to choose who they work with. I pair them up and they have to work with them. It's a very social medium and they have to learn to get along with people.
It's prepared me a lot to work with other people. I'll understand more how things are made and how to work with others.
We have a lot of internships that we send them to. We also work a lot with some of the universities. We work with USC, we work with UCLA. If they follow what they've been taught, set etiquette, good manners, proper speech, follow directions, then they will eventually get hired on their own in their own projects. So the more they do, the more exposure they get, leads to more jobs.
Now that I've been able to participate in the class, I honestly really think that I want to try a career in makeup.